Three-quarters of the state is now a disaster zone, and after 19 days the human toll has risen dramatically. 10 people have been killed in the last 36 hours. Nearly 80 are missing in the worst-hit area of the Lockyer Valley to the west of Brisbane.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in rivers, and the tears come streaming down your face,
That appealed for the residents to hang in there.
something you can't replace.
2 people were killed when flash flooding tore through city streets. Locals are amazed more people weren't killed.
Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
I understand that you may be very frightened by what is happening around you. What we need now is calm.
Being told to expect the same. The city of Ipswich is also about to be hit hard. The city's mayor says 16 suburbs will be flooded with thousands of residents affected.
But if you never try,
Of Steve Moller's home, he had minutes to spare as his floorboards started to give way.
lights will guide you home.
There is a lot of heartache and grief as people start to see for the first time what has happened to their homes and their street.
I will try to fix you.
As you can see in my daughter's house is, well, excuse the language, it's had it inside. She's got 10 years of 10 years of her is inside this house, you know.
Out on the streets, soldiers were pitching in to help clean up. The Prime Minister doubled the number of defence personnel involved, making it their largest disaster deployment since Cyclone Tracy in 1974.
The support's just huge. We turned around this morning and there was 10 people there with brushes and brooms and saying, where can we start?
So these are just people that have just turned up out of nowhere?
Yeah, we just turned up, so it's a great help. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of people that are going to need all the help they can get.
So how many people have you managed to rustle up?
9 today, but we've got 4 more coming tomorrow.
I just drove in and there's a sausage hut and cake store. There's a guy giving out free coffee. It's just nice right across the road. And again, that's like a moral support. Hey, have a coffee, have a snag, and that's all it takes. There's something like that.
Now, if we take a look at these people here, the army of people here, do you know any of them?
I know none of them.
Lights will guide